Hey everyone, welcome to Learning is Fun with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about a robotic rover named Perseverance and how it will travel to Mars. Welcome to Mars. On February 18th, 2021, a robotic rover named Perseverance is scheduled to land on Mars after an 8-month journey. Like a science lab on wheels, the robot will explore the red planet to help determine if life ever existed here and help to prepare the planet for human exploration. Perseverance has everything it needs to collect samples and conduct experiments, from a weather station to a robotic arm to X-ray devices to panoramic cameras. For instance, it can look for signs of past life in Martian rocks and test a method for producing oxygen from the Martian air, which future human explorers will need. The rover even has a helicopter drone strapped to its belly. After nearly 8 months and 293 million miles, the spacecraft carrying Perseverance will start to slow down as it enters Mars's atmosphere. It will definitely need to pull up. The craft has been traveling at 12,500 miles an hour, but the process will cause the craft to get super hot, about 2,730 degrees Fahrenheit. Luckily, Perseverance sits safely inside, where it's a comfy room temperature. About 1.3 miles above the surface, Perseverance will fire up some engines to slow its descent even more. When the craft is about 66 feet from the ground, the rover is lowered the rest of the way by cables. When Perseverance senses it has touched down, the cables will break off, and the craft will fly off to land safely away from the rover. Perseverance will land in a 28-mile wide crater called Jezero, just north of the Martian equator. The crater used to be a lake system, so scientists believe this is the perfect place for Perseverance to start looking for ancient microbial life. Future missions to Mars will send spacecrafts to retrieve the samples this rover collects. Artists have imagined Perseverance using an X-ray device attached to its robotic arm to look for signs of life inside a rock. The rover is expected to conduct experiments on the planet for at least one Martian year, or about 687 Earth days. Later this spring, scientists will test Ingenuity, the Mars helicopter drone. The solar-powered craft is expected to be able to fly about 15 feet above the surface for about 980 feet at a time. If scientists are successful, it will be the first powered flight on another planet. In today's lesson, we learned about a robotic rover named Perseverance and how it will travel to Mars. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.